Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace crankshaft pulley, known as harmonic balancer here in the US. Okay, so we're going to show you how to remove and replace it on BMW. We'll be using ours, so we'll be removing it and putting it back on. Stay with us, guys. This is on BMW E90. So if you have E90, E91, 92 all the way to 93, it'll be the same procedure. We have more than 200 videos on that BMW. We bought it direct from a car auction for nothing. It was a really good deal. Check out the video, it's on the channel. Also, guys, I would really appreciate if you check out our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Many videos to come there for BMWs as well. Diagnosing electrical problems, engine codes, airbag lights, things like that. So please subscribe. Now, what we're going to need, guys, you can see we decided to make that video because it's wide open now. This is because we are working on the front end right here, and we took everything apart already. That way we can show you in a good angle how to do all that stuff. Okay, let me show you quick now. This is the pulley right here, and I've seen people messing this thing up, and I'll show you how by taking that bolt off. And I'll show you that you don't need to do that now. On this BMW we'll need a reverse Torx. Okay, and let's find the one that fits actually. Okay, this is reverse Torx right here. It's a reverse Torx E10. So okay, that's what it looks like. So what we're going to do now, okay, don't take the bolts all the way off, just break them loose. Okay, you can see, just break them loose. Do not take them off because we have to remove the belt first. Okay, and you can see how the engine tries to spin backwards. If it does that, stay with us and I'll show you what you need to do. It's never good to spin the engine backwards. So what you do, guys, with 22mm, you're going to hold the crankshaft, okay, with a breaker bar, okay, while one person is breaking them loose. And this is because those engines are complicated. You don't want to spin them counterclockwise because sometimes they have the variable timing and all that stuff. Okay, so I'm going to reposition here. Okay, the thing came off. So we can actually go ahead and reach the one on the top. Okay, this one's loose. Now, you can see that we need to remove the serpentine belt. And in order to remove the belt, guys, okay, we'll need to get a Torx 60. Torx 60, okay, and we'll need to place it here. This is the belt tensioner. And when you put the Torx 60, you need to go clockwise. By going clockwise, what is going to happen, you turn the tensioner this way, which will release the belt. And we'll show you in just a second how to do that. I'll recommend to put a new belt when you do that job anyways. Okay, so okay, clockwise, and you can pull the belt. Careful not to snap your finger or anything like that. We're going to pull the belt out now. Okay, like that, and we'll go ahead, okay, and remove all 6 bolts on the crankshaft pulley. Okay, just 3 more to go. That little impact is really good. We list all the tools that we use in the description of the video below. Please check it out, guys. That way if you need anything, you know how to find it. Okay, those are the bolts. So now all we have to do, just grab and pull it out. Okay, and check out how dirty it's behind it. We degreased the whole engine. We have a video how to do that. It looked just like that. And I think we should have done that, okay, after we remove the thing, but it's okay. So that's how you guys remove the crankshaft pulley. Okay, it's right here. Sometimes they'll go bad because this is a rubber bushing right here, and they will get out of balance. You'll feel some engine vibrations as well, and you might get some noise coming out of there. So thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.